everyone, welcome to Celebrating Careers, your go to channel for career inspiration, guidance, and growth. I'm Anjali, and today we are introducing you to the face behind this platform, the founder of Celebrating Careers, Saloni Jain. So, hi Saloni, how are you?
Thank you, Anjali, for such an amazing introduction. I'm very excited to share with you all my insights and journey. Let's start.
Yeah, so let's dive into this video. So, my first question is what inspired you to start this channel?
Actually, this was long pending. I have been asked exponential times to start speaking online, to come online and share your knowledge and talk about various topics. Because I think it is very much important for us to raise awareness about careers, parenting, decision making, and if our videos can help someone in any form, then that would be our goal and mission.
Yeah, right, amazing. So, what people can expect from this channel, Celebrating Careers?
Um, in this channel, we will talk about various different careers. We'll talk about all the personalities who have made big in these careers. We'll also talk about the ups and downs that happens in career journeys, so that people who are watching it can understand whether they're ready to do it or not. And we'll also share about what makes a person successful, because ultimately that is the ultimate aim of ours. We want to know that in which field can we become successful and achieve all our dreams. We'll also talk about some additional topics like work life balance, study schedule, handling exams, handling pressure, mental health issues that are connected with careers. So, most of it 360-degree careers we'll be talking about.
Wow, that sounds so incredible. So I'm so excited already. I would like to ask what inspired you to start Celebrating Careers?
I think when I started celebrating careers, I just had one vision that I needed help when I was young. I think if I would have guidance at the moment when I was 14, 15, 16, which was unbiased and also which was more of support rather than just information, because Google, everything was written on Google, but I didn't need Google. I needed a person to help me. I wanted to discuss my ups and downs, my feelings, my intuitions. So when I realized that throughout our whole school life, right from nursery to class 12th, nobody is discussing careers. And there are a lot of opinions related to careers, but there is no discussion, there is no education, there is no understanding, there's no in-depth understanding and conversation about it. So that made me think about it. And I think the eureka moment was when I helped my own sister crack her own vision on what she wanted to become, because I didn't want her to do something and regret it later. So when I figured out how to help her and made her confident, she's very introvert. So when I helped her be confident about what she wants to do and uh, be very happy on finally her finding out what she wants to do, I realized I can help many people. And that's when I think universe fell into alignment, because a lot of people started reaching me out. So I didn't want to but I never thought that I'll become a counselor. Somebody reached out to me for my session, and I asked one of my mentor, and he said yes, that you should try it out, and that's how it started.
Wow, nice. What like there are a lot of career platforms, career counseling platforms out there. So, what are those things which makes career celebrating careers a different thing?
Yes, you're sure. We totally understand that there are like multiple career platforms right from last 20 years. But we are very different in the sense that it is a holistic approach. Now, what I mean by holistic approach is that we are focusing on the right answer. We are not focusing on just the answer or the options. So there's a difference between going and taking a pathology report and going and talking to a doctor who can actually guide you. And today, even doctors are getting holistic. So just imagine that you need to have a 360-degree approach to understand careers. It is not just knowing, okay, what one is right for me. It is more than that. It is to understand whether you will be able to perform, whether you will be able to transition from one thing to another, whether you will be able to fulfill the expectations, whether you feel good. Like at the end of the day, I think that every day spent in your career, you should feel that you are made for it. And if you're
Yes.
not feeling that you're made for it, that means you're in the wrong place. So
Yes.
all the questions that we ask, that we do, are the things that people do after their 40s. So I realized, when people figure things out in their mid 40s, why don't we do it right now with our children?
Mm-hmm.
Because we all understand that things don't change that much. Whatever we things we have liked, whatever dreams we have had, are mostly similar to what we've had uh, during our young times. So I thought, why don't we ask the questions at the right time? The problem is that
Mm-hmm.
we're not asking the questions at the wrong right time. Second, I think we provide a lot of support, because decision making is not a one time thing. You go and you just ask, okay, what do I want to do, or I think this is what I want to do. It is not just that. It is to go deeper and to understand whether you really want it and whether you really know about it. So
Mm-hmm.
it's like getting married into a career. You want to know everything before getting into it. You want to be sure about it, and you want to fulfill the whole purpose of the career. You can't expect something which is not going to happen. And the
Yes.
third part is, mental health. I always have believed that mental health, mental stability is the foundation of a good career. So, if you know what kind of mental preparation you need to do, or what kind of ups and downs are going to come, it is highly possible that you will take the career with the whole stride. Now, how do we do this? Is because we do a 1 month mentorship program. So this is the first time that somebody is doing one-on-one mentorship. It is not
Mm-hmm.
opinion-based counseling or a report-based counseling. It's a
Mm-hmm.
mentorship where I and the student or the professional does activities together, and they figure out what they want to do.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever insight they need, I am the expert to give them all the insights. We are able to compare the options. One simple thing today, if you even buy a phone, you will compare for like a month. You'll read about all the specs and reviews and technology. Whatever you don't know, you try to understand yourself. Okay, what it is, why camera, why we need this kind of camera, why we need this kind of hard disk, why we need this kind of screen. You are more aware about your phone than what you should do in your life. And that is what I felt, that we need to put this awareness, time and education into careers. And that's how we are different, and that's the reason that we get an amazing review and results. Why we are trending on the top is because we have been proven the best method to do it, right? So I think that's what makes us different, is the genuineness to help, and not just help through opinions, but to help through education. We educate, we empower, and we enlighten.
Okay, so that's totally amazing. So your career is your journey, not a destination. And I'm so excited that we can bring so much education, so much inspiration and growth to the through this channel. So guys, thank you so much for joining us today, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to this channel for more information related to the careers and the guidance. See you soon in the next video.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.